Welcome to this beginner-friendly introduction to CSS, the language that brings style and design to the web. If you've ever wondered how websites get their colors, layouts, and animations, this is where it all begins. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's a language used to describe how HTML elements should look. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a web page, and CSS as the clothing and makeup that make it visually appealing. Without CSS, websites would look plain and boring, just black text on a white background. CSS allows us to add color, adjust fonts, create layouts, and even add transitions and animations. CSS works with selectors and declarations. A selector targets an element, and a declaration tells the browser how to style it. There are three primary ways to apply CSS to a web page, each with its own strengths and use cases. Inline styles. These are written directly inside an HTML tag using the style attribute. Inline styles are useful for making quick, one-off changes to a single element, but they can become messy and difficult to maintain if used extensively. Internal styles. These are placed within a pair of style tags inside the head section of the HTML file. Internal styles allow you to define rules that apply to multiple elements on the page, keeping everything contained within a single file. This method is convenient for small projects or when you want to style a page without creating a separate CSS file. External style sheets. This method involves linking a separate CSS file to your HTML document using the link tag. External style sheets are considered the most professional and scalable approach because they separate HTML from the CSS. They make it easier to maintain consistency across multiple pages, reduce code duplication, and allow for cleaner, more organized development. That's your first step into the world of CSS. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into layouts, flexbox, grid, and animations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. And remember, every great website starts with a single line of code. See you next time.